Yeah, okay, fine. Yeah. No. Okay, we'll begin our discussion. Okay, there's a person standing in front of a plane mirror, is a person, and there's a length of mirror. What is the minimum length of the mirror that is required to see is one's full image, to is complete image? What do you mean by complete image? He must able to see his foot as well as his head. So the distance from the head to high will be usually one tenth of the height of the person is what we are assuming it. Let h be the height of the person. What's be the length of the mirror? What is the basic necessity condition here? So to see his full image, the rays emitted by foot after striking the mirror, if they enter into eye, yes, is able to see the foot. The rays emitted by his ears on head after striking mirror, if they enter into eye, then is able to see the ears. What about other parts? Yes, the other parts also. Now we'll get into the ray diagram. There's a question. I'll directly here only. Let me take the ray diagram. So what the ray diagram says is like the rays emitted by the head should enter into eye. Then the rays emitted by the foot after reflection should enter into eye. Then with this, if this condition is satisfied, okay, I agree this. So there's everything. Let me show it in a very simplified diagram. There's a person, no, you may find little bit difficult. So this is what is head, eye, and this is foot. The mirror which was under consideration, it will be here. Okay, now we'll start with the rays emitted by the head will get reflected at one end of the mirror and they'll enter into eye. The rays emitted by foot after reflection at the lower end of the mirror will enter into eye. Now you can ask questions of how, on what basis you are drawing these things. Now what is the, let this distance be x, let this distance be y. Any reason for that? Because the angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection. The angle of incidence must be equal to angle of reflection. From the laws of reflection, this is m1 and m2. So what is the length of the mirror needed? X plus y. Means now is the person is able to see his foot, as he can say that I'm wearing the some black color shoes. You can say, oh, my ears are somewhat not complete dark gray color. Like this, the person can comment after looking himself in the mirror and is able to see the ears and also his foot. So what this person will comment? I'm seeing my foot, feet. No, I'm seeing my feet and also my ears. He is able to comment, he is able to visualize. How it is possible in this one? What about the other parts of body? Means can he see only the ears and like if feet? No, no. Even this also. What about this ray? Will enter. So I think this will be very, very important for a student to really learn. Huh? So I'll show by a solid line. What about the other part? Is able to see his knee. Okay, knee will be somewhere here. Yes, the knee also is able to see it. So what about his belly? Yes, its belly also, you will be able to see that one. You can see his belly also. Let me take the yellow color line. Is there's a feet. Okay, these are the eyes. Head or ears, anything it can be. Huh? Getting the idea? No. So it's not that. See, we are just bothered. If he's able to see his foot, means he's able to see his knees, he's able to see his belly, he's able to see his like a chest, lap, all the things. See, if he's able to see there, means he's able to see his forehead also. I'm seeing my feet and also my ears, or what you should comment. Total body. I'm seeing my. I'm seeing my total body. This what. So now let's get into the mathematics. So what is this? This distance. This is x. So this x plus. So here, okay, yeah. This y. So x plus y should be equal to lm. Looking at this triangle. What is this distance? Overall x plus y should be equal to lm. So what is the length of the mirror needed? What is the height of the person? 2x plus 2y. So therefore, so this is a minimum length. If the length is no sir, I'll increase this length. Okay, you increase. I'll bring the other part of the lens. I'll add some other segment of length, like a mirror here. Then what happens? Still, you will able to see that one. This is a minimum length. To see himself completely in the mirror.